Welcome back to the Dividend Diplomats YouTube channel, guys. You got your boys here, Bert, the Hurt,
Me?
and Lanny, the Dividend champions of the world. And we're back to talk to you about three stocks that I am watching right now as the stock market continues to show just a little glimmer of opportunity right now for dividend investors.
Guys, smash that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Help us help you reach financial freedom, but also help us grow our YouTube channel.
That's right. We're trying to stay warm over here in Cleveland, Ohio. About to have a snowstorm this upcoming weekend. Filming this the night of January 18th. Bring on the tundra, baby. Don't worry, Buffalo. I know you're way far ahead of us on that front. But as the cold comes, so do frozen icicles happen on this stock price on three different stocks right now. All three stocks are actually down quite a bit this year in
Yeah.
2024. We've actually jointly have featured a combination of these stocks in so many videos already in 2024. And it's funny, I was like, what stocks are on my list right now? And it just so happens to be very consistent stocks right now.
You don't have to go far. Sometimes the best ones are the ones you've already identified, and especially as you watch that price continue to drop down. If it was undervalued here, it's going to be undervalued here. It's going to be undervalued here. And it's definitely going to be undervalued if you shimmy your way down there. That's absolutely the case.
And one of these Bert featured, I believe, on was it last week's video or 2 weeks ago?
I think it was 2 Mondays ago. Yeah, it was my pick of the week. Yeah,
And
yeah,
this and two of these stocks have been my alternating
yeah,
almost picks of the week here.
yeah. It's the
So
the snip, snap, snip, snap,
snip
snip,
snap,
snap.
snip snap. Well, guys, we're going to talk about it. Three stocks. We're going to hit them hard. We're going to hit them fast. We're going to hit them with the Dividend Diplomat Stock Screener Stone Cold Stunner, guys. We're looking
Yeah,
at the price to earnings ratio less than the S&P 500, dividend payout ratios less than 60%, history of growing dividends. Why? Because you want that passive income stream to grow. That's what we're looking for. We're looking appreciation's a little cherry on top, but we want that passive income stream. We want that passive income stream to grow, right, Bert?
that's absolutely right. So let's jump right in, Lanny. That first dividend stock is almost a dividend king. They're a huge component of fuel. They're a huge component of your food. You just don't see them as much. That company is Archer-Daniels-Midland, ticker symbol AD. Lanny, I came so close to buying them today, right before the market closed. I opted for AEP instead, but it was a toss up between which one of the two I was going to buy.
Archer-Daniels, guys, ADM, $68.74, down under 70, guys.
That's
If you guys remember, it's a good price point here for ADM for this soon to be Dividend King. Earnings expectations are 645. PE is only just over 10. Bird, how about that dividend payout ratio on ADM?
Well, that they got that dividend, it's a nice $1.80 there. That's a payout ratio of 27.91%. That is a super low dividend payout ratio.
Yeah, that 5 year average growth rate is only 6.14%, but the previous year was double digits.
Mhm.
So they're actually on the other direction. They're not bringing down the average. They're actually going to be bringing up this average here. And as Bert and I have already said, 49 years.
It's great. It's great. Their yield is 2.62% because they've dropped 5.53%. It's actually a little bit, just about what, 15 basis points above that 5 year average yield of 2.47%.
And they've fallen from grace over the last 52 weeks, down almost 20% right now. So definitely keep your eyes on ADM. I like them at these price points. I'm highly watching them right now. Might end up pulling the trigger at or around these prices. But I'll tell you what do you think, Bert?
I'm with you. As I said, I came very close to buying them. So they're right in that spot where I almost hit the click button there to buy them. It was that close, but it was
So close, guys.
ADM and ADP alphabetically were the first two in my Fidelity account. So I saw them both at the same time. And I'm like, I'm a liking and I'm a buying. So
Oh boy.
so let's talk number two, Lanny. Who's this company here that's on your watch list?
Let me talk to you. So, guys, we are talking. Here it is, the second dividend stock here. And this is a stock that I have been buying. I've
Mhm.
been nibbling a share here and there at 64, at 63, at 61. I actually grabbed a share under 61 recently. We're talking about Shell. Ticker symbol Shell with one L, SHEL. For down 7% year to date right now.
Wild. Let's see how the metrics are. 61.35 is the price. That earnings per share 7.97. That's a 7.70 PE ratio.
Another low price to earnings ratio on this dividend stock watch list right now here on a Sunday, guys.
Yeah.
Payout ratio is looking pretty good too. They pay 66.2 cents per share per quarter based on those EPS, estimates on Yahoo. About a 33% payout ratio, so pretty low for right now.
Yeah, I mean, it's great. There's plenty of room to keep growing that dividend, and that's what they've been doing the last few years after they cut the dividend. So Shell had a famous dividend cut after years of maintaining and increasing that dividend. It was a big deal at the start of the pandemic. It didn't last long, though, because they have been steadily increasing that dividend in pretty healthy size steps over the last few years.
Oh, it's been healthy. They cut it down to 32 cents, but it's back up again to 66.2 cents. So stubbornly, I'm expecting a dividend increase this month. So if you guys hear of it, let us know in the comments.
Yeah, there are three certainties in life: death, taxes, and Lanny being stubborn. Those are the big three right there. So what's that yield, Lanny?
The yield is now 4.32%. So definitely getting a premium to the S&P 500. And your dividend yield might be around those high online savings account yields as well.
Yeah, because you're very true at that. And they're down nearly 7% year to date, up 3.75% over the last year. Not too bad for Shell.
Not too bad for Shell. I've already said it. I've been buying, so if they get down to $60 again, yeah, I'm going to scoop up another share of big oil here.
Love it. So dividend stock number 3 on your watch list. Another one just like Shell, where their ticker was Shell. This company is eBay, and their ticker, eBay. We love it here on this channel. That's great. So what's been going on here? Down 7% this year, down 10.43% over the last 52 weeks. Lanny, just tell the quick story about how this company keeps getting featured on your watch list and your top pick every week.
Yeah, it's on I feel like we started it probably at like $43 and change at the stock price, came down to 42. And I was like, yeah, it's still on my stock to buy on Monday, dividend quick pick, stock pick. Came down to the 41s, and then now we're finally broke 41. We're in the $40 to $41 range. I'm looking for 40. I'm a man. I'm 40. They're at $40.79, down the most out of the three stocks, down 7% this year.
Yeah,
in 3 weeks.
It's insane. They have that single digit PE ratio. It's 9.42 when you consider their $4.33 earnings. So it's another stock with a single digit PE ratio.
Value trap. Let us know what you guys think, but they pay a 25 cents per share per quarter, $1 per year, 23. 3 low payout ratios. This one's at 23%, Bert.
Yeah, this might be the lowest average payout ratio for 3 stocks on the watch list we've ever had here on this channel. I mean that. That's a serious thing. Usually there's someone a little higher. They've increased that dividend for 4+ years with a 15.66% dividend growth rate, so it's very strong.
Yeah, last one was through 13.64. I would expect somewhere in that 8 to 12% growth this year as well. So that pairs well with that dividend yield at 2.45%. And again, like the company because I buy and sell on eBay.
Love it. So those are the 3 companies here on Lanny's watch list: ADM, Shell, and eBay. We've already said ADM's in both of our buy zones. It's very close. Shell's clearly in Lanny's buy zone because he's already been buying. Then eBay, Lanny, we didn't really touch on what is that price for you, the golden price for eBay.
I'm looking for 40. 40. Ooh. Come on, couple percent. Right. Let's go.
You're not that far off there. So everyone, let us know what you think of Lanny's watch list here. Let us know what you think of these 3 companies. Throw it down there in that comment section below.
Guys, if you haven't, subscribe to this channel. Like this video, and as Bert and I always say, you're either rocking with us or you're against us. Jack, that was Bert, the Hurt, and Lanny from the DD, over and out.